back, students, to Standard 9 Maths, Chapter 8 Quadrilaterals, and we are in the 5th session. Alright, in the previous session, we solved theorems up till Theorem 8.5. So we continue further, we proceed further. Now it's turn of Theorem 8.6. Let's see the statement. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, where are the diagonals? Alright, let's call this is parallelogram ABCD. It is given to you, right? AC is one of its diagonal. BD is another diagonal. Suppose they intersect at O. So you have to prove OC is equal to OA and OB is equal to OD. Then the diagonals bisect each other. Correct, children? Alright. So how to prove that? Children, see what I am doing. OB is equal to OD. That is what you have to prove. And OC is equal to OA. So very clear, these two red sides are contained by triangle BOC and these green sides are contained by triangle AOD. So somehow if you manage to show that green triangle is congruent to red triangle, then corresponding paths OA will be equal to OC and OD will be equal to OB, and hence the diagonals bisect each other. Chaliye children, before we write, let's discuss how we can prove these two triangles are equal. Alright, this is already a parallelogram. So opposite sides AD equal to BC by property of parallelogram. The very second property, okay. Since parallelogram is given, opposite sides are equal. I require this. I have not taken this. Okay. Then, yes, BC is parallel to AD and AC is the transversal. Side, transversal side. A line, transversal line. So, this angle and this angle are equal. Actually, angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. But we can shorten it. We can also say angle DAO, the green angle, is equal to angle BCO. Reason A dash O dash C. Similarly, yes, AD and BC are parallel. Consider the other diagonal as the transversal. So line, transversal line. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Actually, that will be angle ADB equal to angle CBD. But I can say angle ADO equal to angle CBO because D dash O dash B. So children, angle, side, angle. So by ASA condition, green triangle is congruent to red triangle. So automatically we will get corresponding paths OA equal to OC and OD equal to OB. And hence the diagonals bisect each other. Alright children? Okay. Data. What is data? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. That's it. Is a parallelogram. Alright. To prove diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other. Right? Now proof. Alright. Those angles, this you will get by property, correct? This you get alternate angle, this alternate. So all three you will have to write, children. Okay? See how do I start? Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. by data. Therefore, AD is equal to BC. Result 1 by property. Yeah, by theorem you can say, or you can say by theorem. Theorem number, it's okay. And AD is parallel to BC. Consider this. Consider. And AC is their transversal. AC, so this angle. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. Now instead of DAC, I am going to say angle DAO equal to, instead of BCA, I am going to call it BCO. Result 2. Because A dash O dash C. Now I am going to write one statement. Similarly we get yes children, which angle? Angle ADO. Yes, symbol लिखा ही हमने. Angle ADO equal to angle, yes, this one CBO. Angle CBO, call it 3. Yes, and here the reason is D dash O dash B. All right. Thus a correspondence, I am writing directly, a correspondence, green corresponds to red, is a congruence by angle side angle congruence rule. Correct children? Now green, I am writing ADO. Here dash dash dash. Yes, you will get that red part very easily. बीच में देखो A और बीच में देखो C. So A corresponds to C. A first, so C first. C you got another corresponding angles equal. So D बीच में है, B बीच में है. D corresponds to B and the last is O. Therefore, now you can say OD equal to OB and OA equal to OC, i.e. diagonals. This is bicipicity, i.e. diagonals bisect each other. Proved. Clear children? I hope so. Chalo, moving on to the next. It is its converse. If diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. Now this is simple quadrilateral. You have to prove it is a parallelogram. Say suppose this is quadrilateral ABCD. And what is the data? Its diagonals bisect each other. Array, let's draw the diagonals. AC and BD. Suppose they intersect at O. Then OC equal to OA and OB equal to OD. That is already there because diagonals bisect each other. So what is given in the data? Let's write the data first. AC and BD are diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD such that OC equal to OA and OB is equal to OD. Yes. To prove आपको प्रूव क्या करना है? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. आप दो थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हैं चिल्ड्रन. Actually one definition and one theorem. By definition, if you want to prove, you will have to show BC is parallel to AD and AB is parallel to CD. Correct? And if you want to use the theorem where AD is equal to BC and AB equal to CD, if both the opposite pairs of sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. We'll try that. Okay. First, I would like to show AD is equal to BC. Very clearly, you can choose the triangles DOA, the red one, containing AD, and BC containing triangle, you may choose this. Now you have to show these two triangles are congruent. So corresponding point AD will be congruent to BC. So one pair of opposite side equal. So similarly, if you pick up these two triangles, yes, you can get other pair of opposite side also equal. Okay. And having both the pairs of opposite sides equal for a quadrilateral, you can say it's a parallelogram. Correct? Okay. So proof. Now this is vertically opposite angles. This is already given. So side, angle, side. So this time S is satisfied. So straight away I am writing in triangle red, AOD and triangle green BOC. Alright. Which red part is equal? Here I am having space, so I have written. Here I wrote the correspondence directly. Okay. OA is equal to OC. Here. And OD is equal to OB. Correct. This is OC. Both by data. It's already given. And which angle? Angle AOD. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Vertically opposite angles. That is the reason. Vertically opposite angles are always equal, congruent. Therefore, a correspondence yes, red corresponds to green is congruence, is a congruence by side angle side congruence rule. रेड का आप लिख दो AOD और यहां हम देख के लिखेंगे राइट. यू गॉट एनी एंगल? यस, एंगल है. One corresponding angle is congruent. O corresponds to O. O is in the center, so let's write in the center. Having known that O corresponds to O, it's confirmed now that A corresponds to C. A is in the first order, so C, O और बच गया B. Fill in the blank कर लो या यहां से देख लो. O corresponds to O, so D corresponds to B. Therefore हमें क्या चाहिए? AD equal to BC. Therefore AD equal to BC. Correct? Now similarly by picking triangle AOB, see ये भी वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल तो है ही. सो साइड एंगल साइड से ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट बन जाएंगे. सो सिमिलरली फ्रॉम ट्राइंगल AOB and COD we get yes AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. This is result 1 and this is 2. So by 1 and 2 it follows that both the pairs of opposite sides are equal. By 1 and 2 it follows that both the pairs of opposite sides are equal. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Children, proved. Clear? I hope so. Good. So children, we have seen theorem 8.6 and 8.7 which are converse of each other. Here parallelogram is given and we proved its diagonals bisect each other. Here simply a quadrilateral was given whose diagonals were bisecting each other. Hence the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So after solving theorem 8.7, we are going to solve few examples. Now it's the first one. Show that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Children, this is rectangle ABCD given to you, children. You know, one of the angle is right angle. You have to show that each and every right angle is a right angle. Angle B, angle C and angle D is also a right angle. Alright. Data. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Correct? To prove each angle of quadrilateral ABCD is a right angle. Yes. Now proof. चलिए, एक एंगल तो राइट एंगल है. डेफिनेशन क्या है? रेक्टेंगल इज गिवन. सो व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? A parallelogram with one of its angle, right angle, is called rectangle. Alright. So start with rectangle. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. कहां से मिला आपको ये? Of course, by data. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. True or false statement भी है. उसको कहो 1 and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now, quadrilateral ABCD parallelogram, so opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C. Okay? By 1, it follows that angle A equal to angle, इसको 2 कह देते हैं. Angle A equal to angle C. Therefore, angle C is also 90 by 2. Because A is 90, C is also 90. Okay? Again, by 1, it follows that. समझ लो children, angle A or angle B, they are adjacent pair of angles. The last property of parallelogram, they are supplementary. It follows that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Therefore, what is angle A? 90. 90 plus angle B is equal to 180. ये 90 कहां से मिला? By 2. Correct? Therefore, angle B is equal to 180 minus 90. ये 90 वो बाजू ले गए. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90. Alright? Also, now this angle B and angle D are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore, angle D is also 90 because B is 90. i.e. each angle of quadrilateral ABCD is a right angle. Proved. Wasn't that simple, children? Yes, I hope so. Moving on to the next example, and that is example 2. Show that the diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Children, this time this is rhombus. What do you know about rhombus? A parallelogram with adjacent sides equal. So these sides are equal. That is given. Alright? Okay? Show that diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So let me draw diagonals. AC is one diagonal. BD is the other diagonal. Suppose they intersect in point O. Then we have to prove angle AOB is equal to 90. Angle AOB is 90. Children, these two sides are equal. Okay. And I have to prove this is right angle. ये और ये angle linear pair बनाता है. So if this is 90, this is also 90. That means they have to be congruent, equal. Alright? Which angle has to be equal? Angle AOB. If angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. Correct, children? If they are equal, then each will be 90. So this diagonal will be perpendicular. Now we have to show that they are equal. So pick up the triangle. Quite easy. ये दो साइड है तो तीसरी साइड AD रेड ट्राइंगल की. ये ग्रीन दो साइड्स दी है तो तीसरी साइड AB. So somehow you have to prove that these two triangles are equal. All right. एक तो चीज मिल ही गई है. And this is the common side. 3 marks I put. And children, every rhombus is a parallelogram. So bisect तो हो ही रहे हैं. So yes, OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. हमें ये काम है तो वही लेंगे हम. So by side, red triangle is congruent to green triangle. Finished. So angle AOB will be equal to angle AOD by CPCT. But they are linear pair. So angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180. So angle AOB plus angle AOB, because they are equal. So 2 times angle AOB is equal to 180. So 1 time angle AOB will be 180 divided by 2. Correct, children? So that's 90. So AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay? So थोड़ा लंबा जाना वाला है. Data. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. All right? To prove diagonals AC is perpendicular. Diagonal AC is perpendicular to BD. Correct? Proof. All right. Straight away I will write. Okay, first this. How I got OB equal to OD? Because parallelogram by diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. And how I got AD equal to AB? By definition of rhombus. Okay. So quadrilateral ABCD is, you can exploit this data. जो given information है उसको बराबर exploit करो. All right. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Correct. Therefore AB is equal to AD. Call it result 1 by definition. Also quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Again by definition of rhombus. By definition. i.e. AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other. That is by theorem. Yeah, by property you may write by theorem. i.e. OB equal to OD. Okay. OB is equal to OD, or you may write OD equal to OB. This is result 2. Finished. Now we are ready. ये common side तो directly लिखेंगे. Thus, in green triangle AOB and red triangle AOD, children direct correspondence भी लिख सकते हैं आप लोग, लिखना हो तो, right? पहला, OB is equal to OD by 2. Second, yes, AB is equal to AD by 1 and AO equal to AO. That is common side. This you got by 1. क्या है? OB equal to OD. And what is AB equal to AD? And this is AO equal to AO. Therefore, a correspondence. कौन सा? ग्रीन. AOB लिख दूं. AOB corresponds to dash 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 is congruence by side. All right. अब कोई एंगल है, एक भी एंगल नहीं है, तो देखो इसमें क्या कॉमन है? B और यहां D. So B corresponds to D. B लास्ट ऑर्डर में है, D भी लास्ट ऑर्डर में रखो. B corresponds to D, it's confirmed, so you can say O corresponds to O. O is in the middle, so write in the middle. The remaining one is A now. So AOB corresponds to AOD is congruence. Children, हमें क्या चाहिए? ये एंगल और ये एंगल. Therefore, green angle. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. वही ऑर्डर में angle AOD. AOD, children. This is AOD. by CPCT. All right. Now they are linear pair. Now angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180. Reason, linear pair of angles. Therefore, instead of AOD, I am going to call AOB. AOD I am going to replace by AOB. So angle AOB plus angle AOB is equal to 180. Therefore, 2 times angle AOB is equal to 180. 2 1s are 2 90s are. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90, i.e. yes, I am just putting this symbol, i.e. diagonals are perpendicular to each other and proved. I hope this last statement you will be able to write. Clear to you, children? Good. Moving ahead, after the second example, it's the third one. Let's see, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. So here is AB and AC, they are equal. If you want AB के सामने ये एंगल और AC के सामने ये एंगल, ये उसके साथ ही जुड़ा हुआ रिजल्ट हमें मिल जाता है. AD bisects exterior angle PAC. चिल्ड्रन P तो कहीं है ही नहीं, A और C है और exterior angle, so you will have to produce BA further. BA को आगे प्रोड्यूस करना है. Alright, and somewhere will take point P. Now you got PAC, which is exterior angle of triangle, and AD is bisector of this angle. So exactly center से मुझे लेना है AD. I'm not putting D point just now, okay, but this is bisector. So I'm putting some symbol to show angle CAD equal to angle PAD. D I have not put because there is one extra condition. CD is parallel to AB. D जहां कहीं हो on this ray, CD has to be parallel to AB. So हम parallel draw करें, थोड़ा लगना भी चाहिए parallel है तो फिर, right. So this is D now. Ray AD is bisector of angle PAC, which is exterior angle of triangle ABC, correct? And CD is parallel to AB. So that's all. Now what we have to prove? Show that angle DAC. Where is DAC? DAC. Ye angle, alright, is equal to angle BCA. BCA. Ye angle. These two angles are equal. वो हमें प्रूव करना है. और सेकंड, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Children, CD is parallel to, वो ध्यान में रखो, CD is parallel to AB. That is already given. वो तो है, देखो CD is parallel to AB. So one pair of opposite side is already parallel. So if I prove BC is also parallel to AD, then both the pairs are parallel. So by definition of parallelogram, quadrilateral ABCD will be parallelogram. Correct? लेकिन या वो पैरेलल प्रूव करने के लिए आपको दिखते हैं ये ऑल्टरनेट एंगल है, ये लाइन इसको ट्रांसवर्सल करो तो दिस ऑल्टरनेट पेयर्स. इफ यू प्रूव के दे आर इक्वल देन ऑटोमेटिकली BC इज पैरेलल टू AD. अभी ये तो प्रूव भी करना है हमको. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? हाउ कैन वी प्रूव? चिल्ड्रन, अब मैं इसको कहूं X and this also I am going to call it X. Just try to understand why. Because AD is bisector. So measure of angle PAC, the exterior angle will be 2x. Correct? Now I am going to call this as Y and this Y because they are also equal. They are angle opposite to congruent sides in the same triangle. Correct? Okay. और फिर वो exterior का result, the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Alright children, पहले मैं यहां लिख दूं, let angle PAD equal to angle CAD equal to X. Okay, and angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to y. वो क्यों आया आपको पता है, right? Now data, and to prove I'm not going to write here, I don't have enough space, so data you are going to write, to prove you can write. Now you have enough practice, all right? अब proof कहां से शुरू किया जाए, all right? Okay, ये तो हमने कह दिया है, all right? कैसे? तो in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC by data, वो डेटा में दिया है, therefore AB के सामने का एंगल ACB, एंगल ACB इक्वल टू AC के सामने का एंगल ABC, and that is equal to y. Say result 1. Is that clear? Okay. AD is bisector of angle PAC, therefore angle PAD is equal to angle CAD is equal to x, say, and this is the result 2. Correct, children? Okay. Now you know angle PAC is exterior angle of triangle ABC, that is also by data. ये आपको by data है, ये भी by data आपको मिला है, correct? Therefore angle PAC is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACB, या इसके साथ ये लीनियर पेयर बनाते हैं, PAC और BAC लीनियर पेयर, so angle B and angle C are interior opposite angles, plus angle ACB, right? Now PAC will become x plus x, 2x, so I'm writing that 2x. Now ABC is y and ACB is also y. x कहां है हमारा, ये 2, y कहां है, so you may write by 1 and 2. Therefore 2x is equal to 2y, therefore x is equal to y, therefore अब x is angle DAC, जो हमें प्रूव करना है, एंगल DAC, ग्रीन लिख दो, एंगल DAC, and that y I can write red, ACB या BCA, एंगल BCA, करेक्ट, प्रूव्ड. और ये कहां से मिला आपको, x और y में से ही, x को एंगल DAC बोला, y को BCA बोला, by 1 and 2. ऑलराइट, ये प्रूव हो गया. IE, यस, ये और ये IE alternate pair of angles are equal, therefore BC is parallel to AD and CD is parallel to AB, that is by data. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Proved. This is proved 2, and here this is proved 1. Okay, there it is, children. It's done. So moving on to the next example, that is last for this session, and it's example 4. Two parallel lines, one is L and M, are intersected by transversal P. See the figure? L is parallel to M and P is the line which intersects L and M in two distinct points. Okay, transversal. Show that a quadrilateral formed by the bisectors of interior angles is a rectangle. ये okay, ये और ये, that is interior angles on the same side of transversal. Then this angle and this angle is also a pair of interior angles. उनके bisectors, children, draw the bisectors nicely. Exactly center से जाने वाला. It divides into two parts. फिर इसका bisector, bisect होना चाहिए ये. So I got bisectors of this side. Also take bisectors of this side now. इसका बाइसेक्टर, बाइसेक्टर लगना भी चाहिए चिल्ड्रन, ड्रॉ नाइसली ए, एंड इसका बाइसेक्टर children, let me say this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. ABCD जो quadrilateral फॉर्म हुआ उसको आपको प्रूव करना है, इट्स अ रेक्टेंगल। अब कुछ भी पॉइंट ले लो यहां ABCD, ये E है, ये F है, ये G है, ये H है, ऑलराइट। लाइन L इज EF, लाइन M इज GH और लाइन P इज AC। H के बाद I और J, ये तो P स्मॉल p है, हा, दिस इज स्मॉल p, दैट इज लाइन, एंड J इज कैपिटल लेटर रिप्रेजेंटिंग दिस पॉइंट, ओके। चलिए, नाउ चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू प्रूव दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज अ रेक्टेंगल। चिल्ड्रन पहले तो पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करना पड़ेगा, AB इज पैरेलल टू CD एंड AD इज पैरेलल टू BC, तो वो पैरेललोग्राम मिलेगा। फिर वन ऑफ द एंगल इज राइट एंगल, वो प्रूव करना पड़ेगा। वंस यू प्रूव क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, देन वन ऑफ द एंगल इज राइट एंगल, वो प्रूव करना होगा। वो कैसे प्रूव करेंगे चिल्ड्रन, भूलना नहीं, line L and line M are already parallel, so this angle and this angle they are equal, green angles are equal because they are alternate pairs। उसी तरह रेड एंगल और ये रेड एंगल, that is second pair of alternate angles, they are also equal, correct, okay। और ये green angle और ये red angle, they are interior on the same side of transversal, all right, so they are supplementary, all right children, okay। Now I'm not going to write in detail, straight away proof, okay, proof। AB is bisector of angle AB, actually ray AB is bisector of angle EAC, angle EAC, that is by data, correct। Therefore angle EAB equal to angle CAB is equal to half of angle EAC, and that is equal to x से। चिल्ड्रन इसको बोला x, इसको बोला x, तो ये पूरा 2x होगा, करेक्ट चिल्ड्रन, आर यू गेटिंग मी? फाइन। नाउ नेक्स्ट, रे CB is bisector of angle GCA या ACG, angle ACG by data। Therefore angle GCB equal to angle ACB is equal to half of angle ACG, half of angle ACG is equal to y say। This is result 1, this is result 2, correct children, okay। दोनों को हम ले लेते हैं, they are interior angles on the same side of transversal, so they are supplementary। Now angle EAC plus angle ACG is equal to 180। Reason, interior angles on same side of transversal, is that clear? Okay। Therefore now EAC कहाँ है? EAC, ये EAC। Children, half of EAC is x, here you have to work smartly, half of EAC is x, so take to another side, so angle EAC will be 2x, so that is 2x। now ACG is here, half of ACG is y, so angle ACG will be 2y, that is equal to 180 by 1 and 2, correct। 2 is common, therefore 2 times x plus y is equal to 180। Therefore x plus y is equal to 90. Result 3. Children, be careful now. Result 3. Consider this triangle ABC. उसमें BAC is x and angle ACB is y. Correct? ये y और y है. Correct? So उसमें ये तीसरा एंगल कितना मेजर पता चल जाएगा. In triangle ABC, this is x, this is y plus angle B, total 180. Now x plus y is 90. So if you substitute, you will get angle B 90. In triangle ABC, angle B plus, पूरा नाम लिखिए, एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल ACB is equal to 180. Therefore, एंगल ABC प्लस BAC आपको मिल जाएगा, यहां है उल्टा BAC is x प्लस ACB यहां से मिल जाएगा, ये रहा ACB is y is equal to 180. Therefore, children, एंगल ABC प्लस आपको क्या मिला? What is this? X plus y, और x plus y क्या है? 90. So plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. Call it result number 4. All right. Here आपने जो value लिखी, that is by 3. So children, this one of the angle of quadrilateral ABCD is right angle. वो prove किया. ओके, अब ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल आपको प्रूव करना है पैरेललोग्राम. अब आई डोंट हैव स्पेस टू राइट, सो आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. वेरी सिंपल वे. ये एंगल और ये एंगल ऑल्टरनेट पे, एंगल EAC इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACH. एंगल ACH, रीजन ऑल्टरनेट पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स. करेक्ट? Therefore, now EAC will be 2x is equal to ACH. Children, ये ACH वो ये एंगल है, उसका भी बाइसेक्टर है, तो इसका मेजर Z बता दो चिल्ड्रन. ऑलराइट, आई विल शो इट एज Z. सो वो भी लिखना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. रे CD is bisector of angle ACH. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle HCD. Angle HCD equal to ZC. All right. Okay. So here ये पूरा एंगल 2Z होगा. Correct. Therefore, x is equal to Z. Now it is very interesting. ये x, इतना एंगल x और ये इतना एंगल y, सॉरी z. ये x और ये z. So this angle and this angle, they are alternate pairs formed by AB and CD of transversal AC. Correct? i.e. angle BAC equal to angle DCA. Angle DCA. i.e. alternate pair of angles are equal. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Children, अब देखो, उसी तरह you can prove this. आपको ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल मिल जाएगा. हम सिमिलरली लिख देंगे. Similarly, it can be proved that yes, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ये fourth है, इसको fifth result बोलो. Now, this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram and one of its angle is 90. So by 4 and 5 it follows that, I am writing it here, by 4 and 5 it follows that quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. prove. Children, you might have found it tough and I have written it very untidily, okay? But hope you understood. You may write in your notebook very nicely. Alright, so we end up this session here. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.